This is a robotic assembly system used to bring multiple filter components together. This system operates at 120 filters per minute. Simple conveyor puck nest tooling is recycled through the entire assembly operation. In a subsequent operation, the filter outer shell is inserted into the puck. The incoming filter cartridges are conveyed in from an upstream process. A single row of filter cartridges feed the robotic pickhead. The filter universal spring subassembly is fed by a dual-track vibratory feeder. Here, the dual lanes of the spring are merged onto the two lanes of pucks. The pick-and-place motion is performed with a simple dual-pod robotic system and the multiple movement capabilities of this end effector. Not only does this end effector pick up the filter cartridge with an expanding mandrel, but the three-position tooling expands from the cartridge to the spring and then again from the spring to the shell. The assembly exit uses a vacuum star wheel to transfer the puck assembly onto the outgoing puck conveyor. Let us build one for you.